So do you ever get bored of the same old ASDF keyboard typing? Do you ever wish that you could have an alternative? So you could go for something like Dvorak or Colemak, or you could pick a foreign language one like French's ASdfasdf. Or ResEdit makes it super easy for you to make your own keyboard layout. So let's see how we do that now. So you start out by opening up the system folder and going into your system file and ignoring the lie of a warning once again, because we do want to do this. So what we're looking for here is the Keychair. Open this up, and this is where all your keyboard layouts will be. So by default, there's probably only one, and for a lot of us, that's going to be US or UK or something like that. So I am going to duplicate this, and then we will, where is it? Get resource info, and we'll give it a new name. So this is going to be a terrible keyboard layout, so I'm just going to call it terrible. That's the name I'm going to give it. And now this is incredible. This is beautiful because this ends up being so straightforward. At the top, you have all your characters, and then at the bottom is your keyboard. And if you hold down a key on the keyboard, you can see it lights up all the places that it appears. So J is on the keyboard there, and it's showing where J is. If you hold down a modifier key like Shift, Option, or Command, then it shows what happens when you hold that key or those combinations of keys. And yeah, it's just so beautifully straightforward. So like I say, I'm going to make a terrible layout. I think let's leave all the lowercase letters as they are. Let's just change some of the uppercase. So I want to have the home row be lowercase Dvorak. That's what I want it to be. So when you hold down Shift, it will be this is confusing. S and what's the, well, I can't remember what comes after the S, and so I'm just going to make it into the rabbit. There we go. So yeah, this is a terrible layout. So I'm going to close this and close that. Close that. We'll say yes. To activate it, all we need to do is go to the control panel, choose keyboard, and you'll see that terrible is right there. Terrible is right there. So we click it, and now we are using the terrible keyboard. So if we go to keycaps, you can see, look at that. It's actually using it. So if I say hello, fine, that's what we'd expect. I'll hold down Shift and type hello. Look at that. Incredible. Yeah, ResEdit, so much fun. Go, make your own terrible keyboard.